Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll use the concepts of quotient rule to solve these problems. So let's start with the first problem. So determine the slope of the tangent to the curve y equals x cubed over x squared minus 6 at point 3, 9. So we have to find the slope of the tangent to this curve, and for that we need to find the derivative of this function. Now this is a rational function, so we'll have to use quotient rule to find the derivative of this function. So the first step is that the slope of the tangent m equals the y prime, the derivative of this function. So I'm using the prime notation here, which is equal to, so as per the quotient rule, we start with the derivative of the numerator, which is 3x squared times the denominator, is x squared minus 6, minus the numerator, which is x cubed, times the derivative of the denominator, which is 2x minus 0, over the square of the denominator, so x squared minus 6 squared. Now we have to find the slope of the tangent at the point 3, 9. So in this step we can sub in x as 3. So we don't have to simplify it first and then sub in the x point. So if we do that, that will save us time and steps. So the slope of the tangent will be equal to, so we'll sub in x as 3, so it will be 3 times 3 square, and in the parentheses 3 square minus 6 and minus 3 cube, and then parentheses 2 times 3. So we can ignore the 0, over 3 square minus 6 and then square. Now we can simplify the numerator further. So in the first step we do, so 3 times 3 square, so we know 3 square is 9. So 3 times 9 is 27, and then parentheses 3 square is 9, so 9 minus 6 is 3, minus, and 3 to the power 3 is 27, so 3 times 3 times 3, times, and 2 times 3 is 6, over, now in the denominator, so 3 square is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now we can simplify it further. So first we do 27 times 3, which is 81, minus, then we do 27 times 6, which is 162, over 9. Now we can subtract the numbers in the numerator. So we get m equals negative 81 over 9, which can be reduced to just m equals negative 9. So this should be the final answer for the slope of the tangent to the curve at point 3, 9. Now we can analyze the second problem. So in this problem, we have to determine the points on the graph y equals 3x over x minus 4, where the slope of the tangent is negative 12 over 25. So in this problem, we have to find the points where the slope of the tangent is negative 12 over 25. So we are given the slope of the tangent. So the first step is to find the expression for the slope of the tangent by finding the derivative of the given function. Now the given function is a rational function, so here we have to use quotient rule to find the derivative. So our first step is, so m, the slope of the tangent, is equal to the derivative of the given function. So I'm using the prime notation here, and now we can use the quotient rule. So we start with the derivative of the numerator, which is 3 times the denominator, then minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, which is 1 minus 0, over the square of the denominator. Now we are given that the slope of the tangent is negative 12 over 25. So we can sub in m as negative 12 over 25. And we can simplify the expression. So in the numerator, we can distribute 3 into the parentheses. So we get 3x minus 12 and then minus 3x. So 1 minus 0 is 1 and 3x times 1 is just 3x over x minus 4 squared. So this is the equation we have to solve to find the value of x. So first we can simplify the numerator, so the 3x's will cancel each other out. So we are left with negative 12 over 25 equals negative 12 over x minus 4 squared. Now we can cross multiply the denominators. So the 25 will cross over to the right side and x minus 4 to the left side. So we get negative 12 parentheses x minus 4 squared equals negative 12 times 25. Now we can divide both sides by negative 12. So negative 12 is on the left side and the right side will cancel each other out. So we get x minus 4 squared equals 25. Now we can apply square root to both sides. So on the left side, the square root and the square cancel each other out. So we are left with x minus 4 equals plus minus 5. So we get two cases. So for the first case, we do x minus 4 equals 5. And the other case is x minus 4 equals negative 5. So for the first case, we add 4 to both sides. So the 4's on the left side cancel each other out. So we get x equals 9. And for the other case, we again add 4 to both sides. So the 4's on the left side cancel each other out. So we get x equals negative 1. So these are the two x coordinates at which the slope of the tangent is equal to negative 12 over 25. And now we have to find their corresponding y coordinate. So we can use the equation of the curve. So we'll sub in x as 9 into this equation to find the corresponding y value. So we get y equals 3 times 9 over 9 minus 4, which can be reduced to 27 over 5. So the first point at which the slope of the tangent is negative 12 over 25 is, so I'll write it. So the first point is 9, 27 over 5. So we cannot reduce this fraction, 27 over 5. Now we can find the second point. So for that we'll sub in x as negative 1 in the equation of the curve. So get y equals 3 times negative 1 over negative 1 minus 4. So we can reduce this to negative 3 over negative 5, which can be reduced to just 3 over 5. So the second point is negative 1, 3 over 5. So these are the 2 points at which the slope of the tangent is negative 12 over 25. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So here we just have to use the quotient rule to find the slope of the tangent by finding the derivative of the given expressions, which are rational functions. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.